Imagine this. You wake up one morning and something feels different. The air is lighter, your mind is sharper, and your heart is full of energy. You realize today is the day you change your life. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. Because deep down, you know that life doesn't wait. Every single choice you make shapes your future. And if you truly want to improve your English, if you truly want to grow, then this is the perfect moment to begin. Welcome to this English listening practice session, designed not just to help you learn words, but to help you change your life. As you listen, imagine you are not just practicing English, you are training your brain to think in new ways. And when your mind changes, your entire world changes too. So stay with me until the very end, because today you will learn, you will practice, and you will unlock a new version of yourself. Let's be honest, everyone dreams of a better life. Some want more success, some want better health, and many want stronger confidence. But here's the truth. Your life only changes when your habits change. And one of the most powerful habits you can create is the habit of learning English every single day. Why? Because English is more than a language. English is a bridge. It connects you with opportunities, with people, with ideas from all over the world. When you practice English listening regularly, your brain learns to think faster, to respond naturally, and to build confidence in real conversations. So think about this. What would your life look like 6 months from now if you practiced English listening for just 15 minutes every day? Would you feel more confident at work? Would you travel more easily? Would you make friends from different countries? The answer is yes, yes, and yes. Here's a secret. Success is not about doing one big thing. It's about doing small things consistently. And listening to English stories, conversations, and graded readers is one of the most effective ways to transform your skills. When you listen, don't try to translate every word. Instead, focus on the meaning, the rhythm, and the feeling of the language. Let the words flow into your mind. Over time, your brain begins to recognize patterns. Sentences that once felt difficult will suddenly feel natural. This is not just about English. This is about your confidence, your growth, and your freedom. Every time you choose to listen and learn, you are choosing to change your life. Think about this carefully. Every single skill you have today, walking, reading, even speaking your first language, you learned step by step through listening, repeating, and practicing. English is no different. The more you expose your ears to English sounds, the faster your brain adapts. But here's the catch. Most people give up too early. They think, I can't understand everything, so I must not be good at it. That is a lie. The truth is, even if you only understand 50% today, tomorrow you will understand 55%. Next week, maybe 65%. And in a few months, you'll be surprised at how much you can follow without effort. Changing your life means changing your patience. Growth is slow at first, but then it explodes. Just like planting a seed, you water it every day, you don't see much in the beginning, but one morning it breaks the soil and grows stronger than you imagined. So when you feel frustrated, remind yourself, this is part of the process. This is how I grow. This is how I change my life. Let's do a quick practice together. I will say a short phrase. Your job is to repeat it softly, maybe whisper it, and let your brain get used to the rhythm. Ready? I can change my life. Repeat. I can change my life. Again, I can change my life. Now another one. English practice makes me stronger. Repeat. English practice makes me stronger. One more. Every day I get better and better. Repeat. Every day I get better and better. Did you feel that? These are not just words. These are affirmations. Every time you repeat them, you're training your brain in two ways. You're improving your English speaking, and you're strengthening your mindset. That's the double power of English listening practice. Let me tell you a short story. There was a young student named Amina. She always wanted to study abroad, but her English was weak. Whenever she tried to listen to English videos, she felt lost and discouraged. But one day, she made a simple decision. I will listen to English every day, even if I don't understand everything. At first, it was difficult, but she didn't give up. She listened on the bus, before sleeping, while cooking. Slowly, her ears adjusted. Sentences that once felt confusing became clear. After 6 months, she was speaking with confidence. After 1 year, she won a scholarship and traveled abroad. What changed her life? Not a magic trick, not an expensive course. It was her daily habit of English listening. And if Amina can do it, so can you. Now let's break this down into simple steps you can follow starting today. Step 1. Choose one English listening activity you enjoy, maybe a story, a podcast, or even this video. Step 2. Listen daily, even if only for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3. Don't stress about understanding every word. Focus on the meaning, the rhythm, and the feeling of the language. Let the words flow into your mind. Over time, your brain begins to recognize patterns. Sentences that once felt difficult will suddenly feel natural. This is not just about English. This is about your confidence, your growth, and your freedom. Every time you choose to listen and learn, you are choosing to change your life. So, my friend, today you have taken another step on your journey. You are not just learning English, you are transforming your mind, your habits, and your future. Remember this. English listening practice is not just about language. It's about unlocking doors, building confidence, and connecting with the world. If you're ready to change your life, keep listening, keep practicing, and never stop believing in yourself. And before you go, if this video inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who also wants to grow. Because together, we can create a community of learners who are not only improving English, but also improving life.